Jai Shri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In the previous class, you understood about the motion block, right? So today, let us move on to the next one, that is looks block. These blocks are color coded purple. So as the name itself indicates, it is used to control the appearance of a sprite. Okay, children. So now let us understand some of the looks block and its usages. So the first one is switch costume to costume 2. So this block changes the sprite costume to the specified one. The next one is switch backdrop to backdrop 1. So what is the meaning of backdrop, children? Backdrop is nothing but the background of a stage. So this block changes the stage backdrop to the specified one. Next one is next costume. As the name itself indicates, this block changes the sprite costume from its current costume to the next one in the sprite list. And the next block is say hello for 2 seconds. This block displays a speech bubble with the specified text for the sprite that appears on the screen for the specified time. Here it is given as 2 seconds. You can specify any value there. Okay, and in place of hello, you can type whatever the text you want. So whatever the text that you will type, it displays in the form of speech bubble for the specified amount of time. Hope it is clear. And the next one is say hello. Here we have not specified any time, right, children? So how it works is this block displays the sprite with the speech bubble containing the specified text, and the speech bubble stays until another speech or thought bubble is activated, or else the stop sign is pressed. Okay, children. So in this block, that is here in this block, the time is specified. But here in this block, time is not specified. So it just stays on the screen until the next bubble is activated. Hope it is clear. Next is think block. This block gives the sprite thought bubble with the specified text which stays for the specified time. Okay. Next is just the think block. This block gives the sprite a thought bubble with the specified text until the next speech or thought bubble is activated. Okay, children, hope it is clear. And the next one is change color effect by 25. So this block changes the specified effect on the sprite by the specified amount. So there are 7 different effects you can choose from. According to your requirements, you can select any one. Okay, children. Next is set color effect to 0. This block changes the color and other graphical effects applied on the sprite by specified value. And the next block is clear graphic effects. So as the name itself indicates, it is used to clear all the graphical effects on the sprite to their default 0 value. Okay. Next is change size by 10. So this block is used to change the sprite size by the specified amount. And the default sprite size is 100. Next one is set size to 100%. So this block sets the sprite size to the specified amount. Always the sprite size will be 100%. So any value lower than 100% will decrease the size of a sprite, and any value above will increase the size of a sprite on the stage. Next one is show. This block is used to display the sprite if it is hidden. And the last block is hide block. If the sprite is shown, this block will hide the sprite. Hope it is clear. So these are all the different looks block. So now let us understand how to use looks block in the Scratch project. Let me show it practically. So I'll just come back from the screen. I'll open this Scratch application. Okay, children. So here, let us change the sprite now. Okay, I'll just delete the sprite by using the cursor tool. Now let me add a sprite from the sprite library. I'll just select animals here. I'll just put this butterfly. Okay, children. So, okay. Now let us give commands for this sprite. So here I have changed the sprite. So the default sprite will be always cat. I have changed that to the butterfly, right? So let us write a code for this now. So first I'll put when flag clicked from the events block. And next one is I'll go to the control block. I'll put this forever loop. And then here in the motion block, move 10 steps. Okay. Next, looks block, change color effect by 25. Change color effect by 25 block. So the rotation style is in the circular. Let us put it for linear here. I'll just go back. Now, let us view the project in full screen mode. Okay. So I'll just click on this. So in order to run the project, you have to click on the green flag icon, right? So just click on that. Hope you can notice there. So this is the program which demonstrates the sprite changing its appearance. Okay, fine. It is struck there. I'll tell why. I'll just come out of this. So here let us give from the motion block if on edge bounce. Okay, children. Let us add this one here. Okay, this is how it works. Hope you understood how to use look block in your project. So children, this is for today. So read the textbook once. If you get any doubts regarding this looks block, please feel free to contact me. In the next class, we'll understand about some more blocks. Thank you. Have a good day.